Have you ever wished you could make over $100,000 a year, without a college degree, without years of experience, and without working 9 to 5 in an office? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to tell you about one of the newest, most exciting jobs in the world. And yes, it's real. It's called prompt engineering. And guess what? This job didn't even exist just a few years ago. Thanks to artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, businesses are now hiring people who know how to give AI the right instructions. That's what a prompt is. It's a smart command you write to help AI do exactly what you want. And the people who are really good at this? They're called prompt engineers. And they're making 6 figures a year. Let's break it down. Imagine a business wants to use AI to write product descriptions, emails, video scripts, blog posts, or even code. The AI is smart, but only if you tell it exactly what to do. That's where the prompt engineer comes in. They create clear, smart, and powerful prompts so the AI gives the best possible result. You might be thinking, but I'm not a tech person. Here's the amazing part. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need a computer science degree. And you don't need years of experience. What you do need is creativity, curiosity, and a strong understanding of how to talk to AI tools, like ChatGPT. If you're good at asking the right questions, writing clearly, or thinking outside the box, this job could be perfect for you. And here's the best part. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and many tech startups are now paying prompt engineers between $120,000 to $160,000 per year, depending on your skills. Some freelancers are even making more, working from home, setting their own hours, and choosing the clients they want. There are free tutorials online, beginner courses, and tons of resources to help you learn fast. You could literally start learning this week and begin building a whole new career. Let's be honest, AI is changing everything. Yes, some jobs are going away, but new ones, like this, are popping up every single day. And the people who learn how to work with AI instead of fearing it, they're going to be the winners in this new digital world. So if you want a job that's exciting, future-proof, and gives you real freedom, start learning about prompt engineering today. You don't have to be a genius, you just have to start. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe, because every week I'm sharing powerful, high-paying opportunities that most people don't even know exist. This is Prosperity Secrets, and we're here to help you grow, succeed, and build the life you dream of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.